Hello, absent student. So I'm going to try to recreate for you the best that I can this experience that the students were there had. Impossible to do it really because, a big part of it is being there and talking with your group members and so on, plus touching and feeling things, but I'll do the best I can with it. Now, the first one involves these blocks, block A and block B. And what I can tell you is by touching them, block A feels significantly colder. One could have a similar experience if you had a chair, something like this, touching like this part of the chair versus a chair with metal legs. That can be similar. But A and B, I guess I'll keep standing up. A feels quite a bit colder. Now, what I have here is a thermometer that can measure a solid, because you can't measure the temperature of a solid with a normal thermometer. So I'm pointing it at A right now. And so once we actually take the temperature of A, and you could record this on your sheet, about 23.8. And then if we take the temperature of B, so B is similar, actually slightly colder, despite the fact that A felt colder to my fingers, actually B is just a little colder. So pretty similar, though, in temperature within, about 1.4 degrees or something Celsius. So now what I'm going to do, and the phenomenon referred to on your sheet is this. So this is the one, remember, that actually was slightly colder. So I'm putting a piece of ice on that. This is the one that felt colder, block A. I'm putting a piece of ice on that one. And as we can see, the one on the block A is melting quite a bit faster than the one on block B, which is basically not doing anything. So, as I said on the sheet, the phenomenon you're attempting to explain is partially how they felt, which is related, but also the fact that there's a huge difference in the way the ice is melting, despite their very similar temperatures. So this activity, we have to sort of be willing to take guesses and be willing to be incorrect. So make sure just to take your best guess, give some thoughts on what happened there and why.